Display size. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 6.7 inches. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 6.7 inches. Display resolution. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 1440 into 3120 pixels, with 513 ppi density. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 1290 into 2796 pixels, with 460 ppi density. Display type. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is Dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED. Display protector. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Ceramic Shield Glass. Operating system. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is Android 14, One UI 6.1. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is iOS 17, upgradable to iOS 17.5.1. Chipset. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is Exynos 2400, International. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Apple A17 Pro. Processor. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is octa-core processor. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is hexa-core processor. GPU. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is Xclipse 940. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is Apple GPU. RAM. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 12 GB. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 8 GB. ROM. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 256 GB and 512 GB. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB. Front camera. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 12MP wide-angle camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 12MP wide-angle camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Back camera. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 50MP wide, 10MP telephoto, and 12MP ultra-wide camera with 1080p, 4K, and 8K video recordings. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 48MP wide, 12MP periscope telephoto, and 12MP ultra-wide camera with 1080p and 4K video recordings. Connectivity. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. Battery. Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus is 4,900 mAh battery with 45W fast charging. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max is 4,441 mAh battery with 15W fast charging. Spec winner.